So today we're gonna make a child sleep in like 5 minutes and see how that works. And yeah, so let's get the little boy. Right? What we're gonna need is a towel and your bag. I know. So yeah, come little boy.
Yes.
So first thing, we're gonna put him in the bag.
I put it back.
Put him in the bag and make sure that he sits on the back. You take your towel.
Here it goes.
Right. Then you bring it there. Then you're gonna make sure that it goes there. You don't wanna make sure you don't cover his face. And then his hands should be inside. Right? You take one side of it, you put it over, make sure you tuck it in nicely. Take the other one, and then you fold it in here. So that's your fold. Fold it nicely. And then here at the back, you make sure that you tuck it in nicely. Right, and then you got your front, right? So you do the same like how you did on the top. Put one in, tuck it in nicely, and then you tuck in here. There we go, and then there we go. Hi guys, so we succeeded. He's not sleeping yet, but make sure you keep on singing the lullaby so that he continues to sleep, and you make sure that you have to hold at the back so that it doesn't put too much pressure in the front. So yeah, me, I like humming, so I'm gonna go hum sound and swing side by side.